There's nothing like flowers when it comes to giving colors and elegance to any living space. Flowers can easily convert any room from bleak to chic. Although there are no hard and fast rule of decorating your space with flowers, still you find some arrangements looking very pretty and some looking just okay. So let us solve that mystery for you and help you choose right flowers for your house. There are endless options to make more such options. If you're planning to make your own arrangement, just take care of these 4 things and you will be sorted. First is the theme and color of your room. Second would be the size of your arrangement. Third is the choice of your vase. And fourth is the place where you're planning to keep it. We usually welcome our guests in our living room. So it has to be bright, cheerful and welcoming. Always look for your room color or theme and then decide the color that you want to keep for your flowers. Or maybe look for a theme. You could have a vintage theme or modern theme of your room. Or you could have bright colors or subtle colors for your room. Try and contrast the colors of your flowers. If you're still confused, then the best possible options could be carnations, orchids and lilies. In lilies, I would suggest to go for Oriental lilies because they are full of fragrance. If you're not expecting your guests to come on the same day, please go and buy buds of Oriental lilies so that they can stay for at least 6 to 7 days with proper care. Bedroom is a place to relax and unwind. It's easiest to decorate since you have an option to pick up your favorite. Still, our best suggestions are lilies and roses. Lilies because they are full of fragrance which will help you de-stress and sleep better. And roses, everybody's favorite because they are symbol of love and they will create a romantic atmosphere in your room. Third is kitchen, which is the heart of your house. Add fresh flowers to your kitchen for making cooking fun rather than a tedious job. But make sure to keep them away from stove and oven. Our best suggestions are white jasmine and Gerbera. Dining table can easily be accessorized with champagne roses or carnations and even lilies. Keep your bathroom fresh and bright by keeping orchids. Please make sure to change this water every alternate day and add Flowerfood along. You can go ahead and check out our previous detailed videos on flower care and flower food recipes. Don't forget to share your flower pictures with us on Instagram. We would love to see them.